Hello guys, I am Kalpesh Jadhav from Parul University EC Department of Faculty of Engineering and Technology. I am working as an assistant professor in EC department. I enrolled the online course of machine learning using Python from Skyfi Lab online course, and I completed all quiz and all assignment of the online courses from Skyfi Lab online course. And after the 97% I completed the course, and at the end I need to submit the one Python based machine learning project, and for that I need to use Jupyter notebook, but I didn't install the Jupyter notebook. So instead of Jupyter notebook, I use Google Colab tool for the project purpose. And here I discuss the my assignment as a project. So for that I need to upload the data. So I am using the upload equal to file dot upload, and after that if I am writing this command, then it will assign the choose the file. So from choose the file I need to browse my data set which I already uploaded from the internet, and the data set is Pima Indians Diabetics.csv. So my data set is in form of CSV file. Now for different task of this, I need to load the data set, and before the load the data set, I need to import all libraries in Python using Google Colab tool. I import all libraries which are important for the project. So intertool, numpy, mat library plot, and so on. Now here I need to use the load data set as a CSV file. So first I need to assign the name. These are the names are of data set, and I need to read the data set. So for that I use pd.read underscore CSV. So from pandas library I assign the import panda as pd. So from pandas library I read this data set as per the names, and after that I need to describe it. So what contained by the data I need to describe it. So for that there is a command data.head, and my data set should contain number of rows and columns. So I assign 20 rows for the description purpose. So I assign data.head 20, and after that I print the data. I am getting this kind of data. Now after that description of data, I need to dimensional the data, and for dimensionality I have command shape equal to data.shape. So after that if I print my shape, then I am getting this kind of data. So my data set should be in size of 768 cross 9, and after that dimensionality I need to define the data types of each attributes. So for each attribute data types I need to write types is equal to data dot types. So I am getting the data types of each attributes, and if I print the types, then I am getting these types of output. In each attribute contain what type of data types, like a break, integer 64, plus integer 64, and so on. So all data types should be there if I use this command. And if I want to describe this my data in terms of statistical form, so I need to write describe is equal to data dot describe. Then I am getting description or statistical description of data set. So if I use the print description, then I am getting this types of data set, means 8 category of statistical information I get, like count, mean, standard deviation, mean, and max from each category of the data. Now after that I need to find the correlation coefficient. So for correlation coefficient I need to use correlation is equal to data dot core and method Pearson, and after that I am getting correlation coefficient of each names of the data set. So I need to print it. So I am getting this kind of data from each category. Thank you guys.